And also on the programme, the UK has just experienced its warmest summer on record. Scientists say human-driven climate change is partly to blame.
Amy, Dave and Hannah, just 3 of this year's storm names inspired by our favourite people and pets.
And that storm list indicates the start of meteorological autumn. And this week, be prepared for some fairly autumnal weather, showers or longer spells of rain on the cards.
On the 1st of September, meteorological autumn, and Matt is here. I was going to say to celebrate, but maybe not.
No, I think many people don't want to know that.
I'm not sure how I feel about autumn, Matt. Come on, make me feel better about it.
Warm jumpers, cosy evenings, they're on the way in.
Okay.
There you go.
Brollies.
Yeah, and brollies. Plenty of brollies around at the weekend. Anyway, very good morning to you. There were plenty of showers around at the weekend. If you were out of them in the sunshine, felt quite nice. But as the showers came through, feeling rather cool and very blustery. I hope you get used to that over the next few days because there's plenty more showers to come. So
And Matt is here with our first glimpse of autumn. Good morning.
Good morning. I've brought you a little bit of sunshine as well,
good.
but it's not everywhere, but certainly for some. Beautiful start to the new week, to the new month as well. Here it is, Beverley, East Yorkshire, the sun rising. Do not be fooled, though. There will be some showers here later in the day. Make sure you have something waterproof with you. In fact, you will need for much of this week. The week ahead looks like we're going to continue to see further spells of rain. Of course, many areas need it at the moment. Very windy at times. Wednesday could be the windiest of the days. Later in the week, though, we should see something a little bit drier, hopefully, as we head into the weekend.
To tell us what the next few days... That's a beautiful picture, Matt, isn't it?
Lovely shot from the window in Reigate this morning. Shower clouds already building up. I don't know about you. Nice in the sunshine at the weekend. But even I got caught out. I know I shouldn't do, but I did. I did.
Well, if you get caught out, what hope is there for the rest of us?
No, not really. And I think more of you will get caught out today. Very good morning to you. Yes, more of the same of what we've seen over the last few days. The shower clouds already built up here at Reigate in Surrey. And good morning.
A rainbow.
I know. Beautiful, colourful skies for the first day of autumn. Comes with a downside, though.
Yeah,
okay.
Always.
That was Matt with the weather.
But more of us need rain, though, than don't at the moment. So, yeah, we've certainly had some rain across the country. Beautiful start. Well, stunning start here in Worcester, even if it was about to throw it down quite quickly. But since Friday, we have seen some welcome rain across the country. Southwest Wales, over 2 inches of rain, even parts of Surrey. We've seen about a month's worth of rain fall, every drop required. But because it was quite showery over the weekend, just look at this, the difference with some other eastern areas where we have barely seen a few millimetres of rain, even to the shelter of eastern Wales and into parts of the West Midlands, only around 2 millimetres there at Shrewsbury. Now, we're going to see those variations again through today, and Wednesday will be the day you'll be thinking, yes, it does feel like autumn. But as I said, drier towards the end of the week.
It feels like autumn's come bang on schedule, Matt, the last couple of days.
Doesn't it? Yeah. But still this time of year, the sun's got a bit of strength to it, and once it's out, very nice, still very warm, but they'll be coming and going through this week, as I'm about to show you. And that'll be the case today as well. Very good morning to already a promising start out across parts of eastern England. This is Cambridgeshire just a short while ago by weather watchers. But if I just push you towards the west of the UK, the sunshine being stolen away by dark looming shower clouds. Lots of them to come today. If anything, more showers around today than we saw through yesterday.
And it's getting a little bit autumnal.
Oh, it certainly is, Sally. And our weather watchers showing that sort of theme this morning. Very good morning to you. This is on the south coast near Brighton. Look at the clouds building up. Distant shower, a little bit of sunshine too. Really sums up what's coming over the next few days. In fact,
Morning, Matt.
Good morning. New week, new month. Same old mixed weather that we saw through the weekend. Our weather has changed and it stays in that sort of changeable pattern for the next few days. Very good morning to you. Not a bad start, though, for some. Look at this beautiful calm image in the Highlands. Cloud about, though, and we're going to see images like this every now and again through this week. But every now and again, we're going to see the sunshine interrupted by some pretty lively downpours, some gusty winds at 2. Temperatures are where they should be for this stage in early September. And later in the week, maybe something a bit drier and warmer to take us into the weekend.
And the weather's taken this transition to autumn very seriously, hasn't it, Sarah?
It has, hasn't it, Nina? Yes, good afternoon. It's a return to school for the autumn term and some suitably autumnal weather around today. We've got bit of sunshine in between, but lots of people are seeing these heavy downpours. Certainly the recipe for lots of rainbows out there. And there's more of it to come. So this is the rainfall we're expecting over the next 5 days. Wet weather really across the board. Probably the driest conditions up across the northeast of Scotland. Oh, hi there, Nina. Well, we haven't got any sign of the first named storm. That'll be Amy. It's not on its way in the next few days, but the weather is really unsettled. It'll feel quite stormy and autumnal at times. We've got a bit of blue sky out there this afternoon, but some big shower clouds too. This is the picture in Portrush a little bit earlier on.
Hello again. Well, after the warmest summer recorded on record, it's certainly got off to an unsettled start to the meteorological autumn, and this theme will continue as we go through the next few days.
Hi there, Jane. Thanks very much. Good evening to you. Well, as you heard earlier on the news there, this summer, of course, gone was the warmest on record. You can find all those details on the BBC Weather website.
Thank you very much, Riz. Good evening. Well, it is, of course, the first day of meteorological autumn, and the weather, it seems, is proving thus. We have had quite an unsettled day, but we've had some sunshine too. And in the sunshine, actually, the temperature got up to 20 Celsius at London City Airport today. We've also had a fair few of these as well. Some really pokey showers through the course of the day. This afternoon, out towards South Buckinghamshire, Southwest Hertfordshire, we've had some rumbles of thunder in there as well. Not so much across London and the south.
And after summer 2025 is confirmed to be the warmest on record for the UK, what will autumn have in store? I'll have all the details shortly.
Lots and lots of people might be, well, regretting the end of summer, I guess is one way of putting it.
Yes, they absolutely are. But there is something lovely potentially coming tonight. The Northern Lights could be seen across the UK. And my northern husband always says, oh, I love it when we get the Northern Lights. It saves me an absolute fortune, because I keep saying to him it's on my bucket list. So if you are lucky enough to have the clear skies tonight, and many of us will have, there is the chance of seeing the Northern Lights coming a lot further south than we normally would expect. Potentially as far as kind of the North Midlands. It's definitely worth going out and having a look, though, because it is likely to be basically dry and relatively clear. So that is the upside of the fact that everyone, of course, is heading back to work and back to school. Lots of grumbling going on in lots of houses at the moment. Let's have a look now at the forecast, and you can see there's also rain on the way. Let's have a look. I have been perfecting my Lancashire accent for about 18 years now. I'll still get complaints, though. I will keep working on it. So if we look ahead to the next few days, it's an unsettled start to autumn. We have, as I said earlier on, gone straight from summer, feet first, into autumn. And that's definitely over the next few days. Unsettled, often wet and rather windy as well. Remember, it is good for those water tables. I know there's lots of grumbling about the end of summer, but certainly from a weather point of view, the pressure is off. And I love the autumn feel coming in. All the colours, it's cosy, don't you think? It's always something to smile about.
It is for the moment, but I think we're going to get sick of it very soon.
Yes.
Just so. Becky, thank you.
Okay.